Alright, we got a engine oil change soon light on. I just changed the oil. So what we're going to try to do here, and I think I know how, but I didn't know if anybody else knew how. I'm sure you can Google it, but we're going to try it here. Right here, got info set up and reset. So I'm going to go to setup. Here is setup. Setup again. Oil life 4%. Alright, now I'm going to hold reset. There we go. Oil life set to 100%. Set up and then reset. That was pretty easy. Alright, just in case you need to know. 2011 Ford Flex. Alright, I guess that's it for now.